Hello children, welcome to you in bio class. Children, you are studying about photosynthesis. I have told you photosynthesis is completed in two phases, that is light reaction and dark reaction. In light reaction, there is activation of chlorophyll, and after the activation high energy electrons from the chlorophylls are emitted. That electrons are used in the formation of ATP by the process of photophosphorylation. Children, you have studied there are two pigment system. One is photosystem 1, that is designated as 5700. Other is photosystem 2, which is designated as P680. So children, next step is the photolysis of water. Photolysis of water is the splitting of water in the grain of the chloroplast to utilize the solar energy which is trapped by the photosynthetic pigment chlorophyll. And after the photolysis of water, splitting of water, oxygen gas is evolved. Children, this splitting of water into hydrogen and oxygen is a oxidation process, and this oxidation process is a complex oxidation process. In this, electrons release, and this oxidation of water occurs by water oxidizing enzyme and unknown electron acceptor in the presence of inorganic manganese ion and chloride ions. During this process, water is going to split into hydrogen ion and hydroxyl ion. During the process of water oxidation, water molecules split into hydrogen ion and hydroxyl ion in the presence of water oxidizing enzyme. So 4H2O is split into 4H and 4OH. 4 hydroxyl ions are unstable. They recombine to form water and oxygen with the release of electrons. The electrons which are released from the hydroxyl ions, that electrons are used to fill electron hole in photosystem 2. Children, here you have to know the electrons released from the photosystem 1, and that electrons are used in the formation of NADPH, because during the formation of NADPH, electrons are required. So the electrons are contributed by photosystem 2, that is P700. So there is deficiency of electron in P700. So that is called electron hole. the P700 gets electron from the photosystem 2, that is P680. So P680 has a electron hole. That electron hole is filled by electrons released by the oxidation of water. So the electrons which released, that electrons are used to fill the electron hole of P680, that is photosystem 2, and electrons of photosystem 2 used to fill the electrons of photosystem 1, and electrons of photosystem 1 are used in the reduction of NADP, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. So children, I told photolysis or splitting of water. In this, water is going to split into hydrogen ion and hydroxyl ion. Hydroxyl ions further will form, because it is unstable, it will recombine and form water and oxygen. Oxygen is the byproduct. The electron release, that electron is used to fill electron hole of photosystem 2. Photosystem 2 transfer the electron to photosystem 1, and photosystem 1 already has transferred the electron for the reduction of NADP to NADPH.